Hi, this is Lila. Join us for an exceptional, exclusive experience.
Let's cook on the Pope's farm. Follow Lila. Two professional chefs greet us and share their secrets. We choose the products from the Pope's farm and proceed to our cooking experience and enjoy the lunch we have prepared. We then visit the beautiful gardens and palace of the Pope with a Vatican guide. There is a lot of history here.
Castel Gandolfo. It's a magic place, an ancient location, and even an extinct volcano. The papal summer residence rises on the origin of ancient Rome. Over 3,000 years ago, after the Trojan Wars, and it's called Alba Longa. It is the capital of the Latin League. Then in the 4th century BC, the Etruscans carved an emissary to keep control of the lake waters. And in the 1st century AD, Emperor Domitian built his palace on that very same spot. In the Middle Ages, it was a monastery, then a feudal landship belonging to the Gandolfi family until 1596, when Pope Clement VII decided to use it as his summer residence. It is at this point that the property transforms itself, and by 1623, Pope Urban XIV started restructuring, followed by Pope Alexander VII, who even engaged Gian Lorenzo Bernini, the great architect of the 1600s, and thus the beginning of the Papal Summer Palace begins. In the 1700s, under Pope Benedict XIII, further restructuring is done. However, on the date of the Unity of Italy, 1870, the villa and grounds were abandoned. The popes lived within the Vatican City walls. Then in 1929, the Lateran Pacts were created. They were a pact and agreement between Italy and the Vatican. A neutral country was born, the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Then the property became part of the Vatican country. And then at that same moment, the astronomical observatory was moved from Vatican City to Castel Gandolfo. This begins a new era for the palace and grounds. Each pope adds something new and lives it in a different manner. The gardens are restored to their original beauty, and the archaeological area of Domitian's palace is uncovered and studied. Pope John Paul II adds a swimming pool in the gardens. Today you are invited to this location, full of history and beauty, and can visit and enjoy being part of its history. It is a special visit and a privileged visit, not to be missed. Come, visit and learn how to cook Italian.
Yes, this is truly a day to remember.
Follow Lila.